Welcome to Insight Hub, the video series dedicated to the world of data and brought to you by Miracle's Data Practice.
Hi, welcome to the Insight Hub video series brought to you by Miracle Software Systems. My name is Akash, and today I'll be talking a bit about how we have built a Cortana skill, Filmer, that makes use of Python and performs analytics on movies dataset. In this video, I shall go over a brief overview of applications of Filmer, then talk a bit about Cortana, explain the technology stack used in Filmer, and then list out some of the applications and benefits of building analytics bots as Cortana skills, and wrap up the video with a live demonstration of Filmer. So without much ado, let's get started. Filmer is a chatbot built on Microsoft's bot framework and Lewis natural language processing engine that's deployed as a Cortana skill. So it can understand natural language that users speak. Yes, you heard it right. Filmer can listen to users and respond to their spoken queries. Users can search for movies and get insights by providing either the movie name or genre or rating and so on. Cortana in this case is our voice-enabled channel that takes care of converting speech to textual query and then hand it over to the bot, which understands the text and then processes the information and sends the result back to Cortana. Now, let me talk a bit about Cortana. Cortana is a voice assistant from Microsoft that can process natural language supplied as voice. It integrates with Bing's search engine to answer users' queries. We make use of Cortana as voice-enabled channel for our Filmer bot. Microsoft Bot Framework has connectors that seamlessly connect to the bot over the Cortana skill. So that's how things are wired up. Here are the technologies involved in getting this to work. We use Python for processing the query and analyzing the dataset. We have used Flask to build the analytics engine as a web application. We have used Node.js to build the bot backend using Microsoft's Bot Builder SDK for Node.js, and that integrates easily with Lewis, that is Microsoft's NLP engine, which is a part of Microsoft's cognitive services. So in a nutshell, users can ask about movies and get details about movies to Filmer bot. It is very easy and user-friendly to use it. Users can avoid longer wait time, and users can visualize these results in the form of graphs. So, where can we use analytics-powered Cortana-based chatbot such as this? The C-level executives in organizations need real-time access to a lot of reports, and those need to get generated on the fly. This is a time-consuming process as of now, but with bots like Filmer, executive can ask Cortana and then get those visual graphs in a matter of seconds. Exciting, isn't it? Let me show you how things work with chatbot that's deployed on Cortana more technically. So when users speak to Cortana, the speech is converted to text and sent to the bot over Microsoft Connected Service, which is a part of Microsoft Bot Framework. The bot, which in this case is a Node.js based application, connects to Lewis to understand the user's query. Then the bot communicates to the Python based application over sockets to process the user's query and then displays it on a web page that users have access to. The Python code performs search and analysis on the available dataset to generate the result and presents them as a graph. Let me talk a bit about how the NLP engine works. So NLP in this case, which is Microsoft's Lewis, always takes an input as a plain text and then generates a JSON output. Let's take an example. So when a user says, "Show me action movies of Tom Cruise having a budget more than 20 million," this sentence is processed by the natural language processing engine, which is Lewis, to break it up into something called intent and entities. Always a text will have one intent and multiple entities. The intent signifies what is the intention behind that sentence, and entities are parameters in that sentence. In this case, intent would be show movies, and entities would be the genre, which is action, artist, which is Tom Cruise, and budget, which is 20 million. So it would convert this text into JSON output, and when the bot performs it, the query would be show movies with genre action, artist Tom Cruise, and budget 20 million. Simple, isn't it? Now let's see Filmer in action.
Hey Cortana, ask Filmer to pull out top 10 Tom Cruise movies with rating 3.
Your graph will be up in a minute.
Here's what Filmer came up with. The bot was able to understand my natural language query, and it was able to convert it into a machine understandable query, and it came up with a graphical representation of what I just asked. So here are top 10 Tom Cruise movies sorted based on the rating, and we get a full graphical representation of how movies are performing. Let's go with another example.
Hey Cortana, ask Filmer to pull out top 10 Sylvester Stallone movies with rating above 3.
Your graph will be up in a minute.
Here are top 10 Sylvester Stallone movies based on the rating. Again, the bot was able to capture it accurately and come up with a graphical representation for us. This is how simple it is to talk to a Cortana-based bot and get your work done. Thank you.
Thank you for watching a video on Insight Hub. The video series brought to you by Miracle's Data Practice. For more videos, please visit miraclesoft.com/insighthub.